Kunwari hindi magkakilala. Ano yun yung pinag-tape? Magkakilala na sila talaga. Pero hindi sila pagpasok na kunwari na hindi sila magkakilala. Season 8? Kasi alam ko magkakilala sa labas yan, sila Blind. Lalaki. Ay, lalaki.
Si Noe.
Nunod pa tayo.
Si Roy. Oo nga, babalibol sa lalabas.
Thank you, SpongeBob. Hindi ko sa sinampat na sa'yo mag-record. Ayan. Pero ko hindi na. Pagsawa niyo ako. Kaya punta ako sa ubig, bigyan mo ako pamasabi. Ito, yung pinakita ko sa'yo kanina.
Grabe!
Oo, kaya mo eh. Double siguro. Gusto mo medyo morena ka. Natural. Bisa, kung si Pam to, 10 pa to.
Uy!
Reverse lang ah.
Wait lang! Sa next game. Next game.
Di ba kayo kumagawa doon? Ang tigit-tigit-tigit.
Nasa baba ko lang.
Sige, kaya na. Ayaw ka na. Okay na. Kausap niyo ba ako?
Ano?
Kausap mo ako?
Ha?
Kausap mo ako?
Hindi, si Pabi.
Ay. Guys, oh! Guys, oh! Huwag ka naman
You go a Burger Shack.
Parang different version of trailer. Hindi ko nga maalala kung kailan ako last nanood sa sinihan. Lahat sa cellphone.
Sabi ni Sir JB, inom daw. Di ko alam kung totoo.
birthday ni Kuya Ryan, ano ka ba? Birthday ni Kuya Ryan. Horap. At napapagod na kayo. BTS niyo ako. Auto save me.
Yung dalawa muna ni Jero.
Ano si Kobe ko sa kanila?
Starcrest Protocol 77 engaged. Prepare for immediate evac. Devil's Night is here.
Ito guys, paborito ko to eh. Hindi, pinaka-paborito ko dito.
Will Cresta and the Night Stallion defeat Devil's Night and save Detroit? Find out in the brand new graphic novels available now. Buy a book.
No CC.
Nalaman ko
A
yan.
hero. Visit launchgood.com/hero.
SCC on.
Mga ano, November 8 to 12. Interpol bro. Pero bibilin niya dito. Maraming gusto.
And by the way, I'd like to mention
Wala kayong mag-50 na mag-50.
Abdullah Hazim, where are you? Can you please stand up? He's from Hollywood. He'll be co-hosting the Music Peace Prize tomorrow night. So you can see more of him.
Pabilin sa Mika.
Moving on to our next award. From Singapore.
Guys, sumiyot na yun mga. May kaya.
Oh, Wonder Woman na ako doon.
Meron akong mga meron akong mga halaga sa labas ng bahay.
Katuwa.
Ate, Friday. Meron akong pasilip lang. Push ka na. Pati nila itigay ko si Kasi. Pati ito, ito.
So, you have
Ano yung laman? Ah, cheese. Cheese, baby. Bicos. Gusto na yung mga ganyan eh, mga, kasi December, yung mga pagkain ng December, yung ano, bumbong, yan, ano yung isa? Bibingka. Pero cheese.
Sarap kaya na puto mo. Favorite ko.
Ay, saan ka ba nag-chat po? Di mo sinasabi, wait lang.
Kitang filter. Filter.
Wala ka sa lupit na na. Wala tayong kalaban. Alam ko na pagbigyan natin si Cassie ng 40 nuggets.
Go guys, ito na. Lalabas na ang seafood pork natin.
Tapos alaalagaan niya yun.
Ayan na pala, ayan na. Thank you! Thank you guys!
Ay, daming joy!
Ala, ang
Joy to the world, the Lord does come. Just bring, God bring, God bring, God bring.
Para magugulat na lang kayo sa mga
Alam ko, ang ginawa ko lang na nag-work.
secret bar nga, hindi pa nilalabas.
Ako, tulog lang ako.
May bagong strategy na yan
Saan, Sir Jervy?
sa episodes.
Di ba wala pa napansin?
Uy, naghahanap ng tokpo, no?
Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo, ha?
Tapos, pag sinabihan kayo ni Mama, sasabihin niya na ako na yung tokpok.
Idol! Idol! Idol speech!
Okay.
Morning! Parang ako yun, ang sakit ng tiyan ko sa kagaguhan ko.
Thank you, Jam. Thank you so much. Guys, in order! Saan yan? Sino? Dito na tayo mag-design. Dito, order ako.
Guys, order guys!
Ano yan? Abangan mo muna yung papagay natin kay Idol.
Okay na ba yun sa akin?
Bia, Bia!
Abangan niyo muna.
Kati? Idol!
Ano pala kayo, no? May common denominator pala kayo. Anong season 6?
Si ano? Ay, si ano? Nyong. Nyong. Nyong, 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 nyong. Nyong, 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 nyong. Thank you, Rochelle.
Bakit si Jai may love team na?
Sino?
Si Arnold wala pa.
Sino love team ni Jai? Si ano? Di ba kayo ni Kate? Kate Macau? Sir JB, sabi Fabio.
Common denominator. Oy, kayo, nakikinig kayo ha. May bayad dapat ha. Ang dami nyo naririnig ng mga splok dito ha. Oo, naka-premium kayo ngayon porket nandito ako ha. Bigyan ko kayo ng butter. Wala na nagko-comment. Ba't wala nagko-comment?
Nagtatanong si Papi, iinom daw ba tayo, Sir JB?
Inom tayo pag birthday ni Kuya Ray.
Ay. Oo nga, birthday ni Kuya Ray ngayon. Mukhang may inuman sa, sa mansion.
Uy, di mo pa kasi ang sagot, Arnold. Ray, may tinatago yung...
Nasa Facebook page na.
Naglalag siya. Asan na si Anya?
Makikita nila doon yung ano natin.
Ano kaya ang itsura ng outside world?
Yan naman, guys.
Basic na dyan sa step by step.
Nakakamiss.
Meron tayong
iPhone?
Sali muna kayo dito guys sa Patsa. Kasi medyo grabe yung bigayan niya.
Bigay tayo.
Ay, Ate Mariluz! Ay, Mario! Sana sinabi mo para di na masangman tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo.
Ano sa rinig mo lahat sa room? Rinig lahat. Pero siyempre, hahanapin mo muna kung saan ka makikinig.
Oo, may mic sa
Sabay-sabay.
naririnig yun.
Sabay-sabay na rinig.
Piliin mo kung anong baby.
Abangan nyo na lang sa season break.
Inisip niyo na
Sinadyang ganun, para wala na kayong palag kasi malayo na kayo eh.
Kinakabahan si Angel.
Ay, no.
Pag daw nakauwi na si Angel, tsaka ipopost si CJ.
Yeah.
Like, good sa
Post ko
concept.
yung
Angel.
kay Angel, popost ko yung kay Arnold,
Kay CJ?
kay Nika. Di ba, Ray?
Ay, wala naman sa akin, kuya.
Nag-pageant ba kayo?
Yun yung mga ano,
Pageant ba kayo?
Vacation namin.
After.
ngayon, huli ka.
Try kayo pageant.
Oh, sa labas? Before.
Support natin yung pageant ako sa...
Kasi napunta yung mga content creators sa mismong ano,
Diba, kay Karil, kay Del.
or kaya pag kailangan mo ng performer or back ano sa likod, kumukuha sila ng mga talent from ano. Kasi ako kinuha ko ni Ben. Ako si Katie and si
Sa school niya.
hindi, sa ano nila, anong feature? Tagi. Sino? Si Karil.
Yata.
Malabon.
Malabon. Tagig naman. So, kasi yung sumali ngayon, Sir JB, support kayo.
Oo naman.
Support ako guys.
Naalala ko yung
Pwede ba wala na Q&A? Yung pageant.
Madali lang naman Q&A, binibigay naman sa'yo lahat ng memorize yung
Meron sa practice mo
pero sinagayon para nakakatawa yung mga sagot. Ay, wala siya.
Pero nanood ako ng ano.
tarantadong pinagagawa. Yung mga una, sportswear. Sir, pinako ko yung bike sa akin. Nag-bike.
Kasi masaya yung pageant sa'yo.
May nasabi ko.
Hinalo ko rin, diba?
Sabi. Nung ano, pero hindi na ako lumaba ng huli kasi kapag sa ako. Naghawan ako ni Amber. Parang sila ni Amber. Naghawan ako. Dito sa may... Hindi, dito kanya. Sa legs up. Pangalakay niyo. Sabi, ilalim ng legs. May so may rap ka umambo. Oo, dito talaga ako nakikita. Isa naman namin. Ay, layo pa. Pamela. Dalawang beses. Parang nag-research sa niya. Ikaw po alam, never pa ako nagkapig. First time ko
Sa toilet seat.
First time ko nagkaroon doon. So ako never pa ako nagkapig.
Ano mo yung toilet seat? Talsik-talsik.
Ganyan talaga.
Nakikita niyo ba yung tekla?
Ganon!
Tatlong cotton patch. Ano pero? Ginawa? Hindi lumulobo na. Inom tayo lang mainom. Sa hospital. Inopera. Yung gumaganon dito. Tapos, nakikita ko siya. Pinaglalaroan ko niya. Lagyan ko.
Saan yung bata ako sa court?
Mga lalaki din.
Yung ano yung
Sa ulo. Nalaglag ako galing second floor. Malikot ako nung bata.
Ano bata?
7 or 8. Diba yung mga
Warning. I know a place. A place that will break you into 1,000 pieces.
Yeah.
Enter through the cracks. And will stay and live inside.
Comment na lang, comment. Hindi ko makikita ito.
Hanggang Sunday.
Stay away from the water.
Content
Static siya, pwede rin static.
kahit anong gawin nyo. Kasi kaya nandun yun para sa photoshoot nila.
Sa patch lahat. Ano ko music video?
Friday. Huwag kayo mawawala sa Friday, ha? Wala kayo sa Friday.
Gagamitin yung mga sports car.
Yun ang ano, music video. Shoot ng music video ng Down sa Bulak sa Friday. Malambot. Ipakita ang galing. Tapos si ano, si Krills, maganda yung artist. Pupunta na. Sa concert, medyo. Yung parang last season, marami naman pumunta. Pero yung magpa-perform, di ko lang. May ano sila eh, may requirements sila para mag-perform. Kailangan nila mag-kapit-pat dito.
Salit no?
Pero yung VIP na
Di ba ba ubo?
Ready po.
magpapa-order pa ako. Hindi last time hindi available.
Ngayon available na pero parang ano na lang yata, 7 seats na lang. Alam ko ah.
Kaya okay lang may Genad din na maganda kalat din yung mga fando.
Check ko ilan ngayon yung natitira.
Asakay sa mga
Ten na lang yung VIP.
Sagad na yun. Sa pag sa mga may dalawa.
Bilhin mo na sa website. Mas regular.
To the Philippines.
Yun yung 7.
Mr. Sam Versosa. Good evening to our distinguished guests, to the esteemed members of the Peace Prize Foundation, other awardees from different countries. Welcome to our beautiful country, the Philippines. I'm excited to meet each and every one of you. I hope your visit here in our country, the Philippines, will be a memorable one. I know great leaders, entrepreneurs, philanthropists, officials from different countries, and I know you help them. But I hope here in your visit in our beautiful country, we can all collaborate and help all of them. I know that the purpose of this Peace Prize Foundation with the work that we have done, but to also inspire others to do the same. And with all of you right here, and with all your resources, with all your influence, I know that we can change more people's lives. As I always say, that the true purpose of wealth is to help and love others, and that is what real success is. So, I hope you stay longer so we can meet each and every one of you. You must go around the city, especially in our beautiful city of Manila. I will personally tour you so you can see our good and know our culture, taste our food, and know more about our city. You know, the Philippines is going through a lot of problems right now, and we need more people like you. People that can inspire, people that can change people's lives. And we are here to be of service to you, whatever you need, so we can give more, we can share more. I would like to thank Ambassador Gusi. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Ambassador, thank you so much for bringing all of these leaders in venue right now. And that's it. I hope to meet each and every one of you, and let's collaborate and work together. Again, thank you so much, and welcome to our beautiful country, the Philippines. Mabuhay na, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. This time from Thailand, none other than Dr. Kampon Sriwatanakul.
Ganyan din po yung nakikita sa mga COVID-19.
Is most valuable and discipline. I have to be more involved. But Dr. what do you think? So I like to turn because wellness can make a lot of I would like to see most of the farmers with well, they are able to provide us and I like to see this price to give me such an award in return for my from now on. I will help and search for a better person, much better. And hopefully, if we can work together, we can work together better.
Zay, sinong love team ni Arnold?
Ngayon?
Arnold, sinong love team ni Arnold?
Ngayon?
Arnold.
None other than Dr. Richard Kaczynski.
Si Arnold? Sige. Pero may laging kasama.
May sinisecret si Arnold eh. Nahuli ko eh. Hindi ko lang, hindi
May lagi siyang kasama pero may ilang siyang iba pang sisinag.
hindi lang ako sure eh. Mamaya check ko yung cellphone ni Arnold. Papakuha ko sa Femi.
Meron siyang laging kasama. Pero before natin kasama, meron natin na sis. Na-crush niya.
Sino?
Minsan kasama.
Parang tama nga yung hula ko.
Ay, sila.
Ano sabi mo, Sai? Ano sabi mo? Pamasang kami.
Ha?
Ano sabi mo?
Di ba sa'yo?
Ang ina mo.
Pero hindi ikaw yung kasama sa lagi.
Ha?
Di ba sabi ko?
Oo.
Pero hindi ko yung lagi yung kasama.
Oo.
Text ko nga yung Kemi.
Ay, naalam na kasi ni Sir Jerry kasi nagawa ng music video. Kasi yung isasama sa music video, yun yung papagtabi-tabihan yung mga may love team.
Ayan. Nakakasumpayo. Tingnan nyo. Pakapakita ko sa inyo mga tabi-tabi na music video.
Maybe I'll start off because I'm a doctor.
Zaira, wag mong ipakita yung mukha ko din. Alam mo, sampahan yan sa akin eh. Gusto mo bang sakalin kita? Alam mo bang sumpa mo akong si My Precious? Mukha akong si My Precious.
Sige na nga. Dito na sa... Sige na lang.
Bakit sa'yo? Hindi, pangalan ko nga.
Gusto mo makita?
I-end kita. Tama, i-disconnect kita. Tignan mo. Hawak ko cellphone ni Cassie. Papansin ka. Ayan.
Talking with the mathematician beside me.
Naglalag na sa hallway kasi. Lagka, tanga.
Season 3.
Lagka, ate.
I started listening to all the speakers.
Nakita ko si best friend.
You know what? We live in
Nakita ko po.
so much data. Everybody has data on their phones, on their oceans of data. But you know what's important? Follow that data, organize that data.
Kikik mo pagkatapat sa'yo, wala pa.
Nakita niyo lang sa kataas?
I-disconnect ko ito pag tinapat ko.
You need to analyze the information.
Paano yung nagawa yan? Monopod.
And that's when you get knowledge. But you also don't stop there.
Parang hindi ko kailangan ng ganyang filter para maging malaki yung mukha. Kaya.
Guys, bumalik na kayo magawa dito.
Kawawa.
Tapos sa lahat.
Wala kami yung bubuko.
Anong skill?
Hindi ko alam. Tagal, daming nag-stream. Daming nagsispeech dito. Nagugutom pa rin na kami.
Buhay, welcome to the Philippines. Thank you so much.
Guys, patentay nyo na ako. Let's go.
There you have it, the laureates of the 2024 Goosey Peace Prize. Another round of applause to all of them. Now at this point in time, hopefully all of you have had dinner already and are going to desserts. But let's welcome a speaker for this. Okay. Well, before we go on to our keynote speaker, may I request the laureates to come up on stage for a photo opportunity with the ambassador, please. So here we go up on stage, our laureates.
Kita mo ba ito? May dumaan. Ayun. Natawa ako doon. Sino yun? Pinsan ko. Alam mo?
Hindi ka. May brace ka before. Natanggap ko. Anong prop?
Ha?
Anong prop before?
Ano? Yung mga showkey ko, late siya lumabas, 17.
17 years. Pass lang.
Doon lang nagkaano. Hindi, pati ito, ganun. Nailan.
Kailan malapit?
2022 pa?
2020.
laureates.
Ay, event mo pala to. Kidding.
Hindi ko makita yung comment nyo, guys. 1K na lang para i-end na muna ako.
Come on stage. For a photo with our laureates.
No, hindi pa dumating yung main course.
On stage, our laureates, Saudi Arabia.
Ate, kaya today.
Likewise,
Yung
the whole
strategy
family
ko para
of the
nandito lang lahat.
come up on stage as well.
Pinatikim ka eh, no? At nabitin.
Para maghintay ka lang.
Ang cute ng ginawa ni J-Rob kung may kempot siya.
Para na sa mga ko. Oo.
Yeah.
Aga po.
Yeah, whatever. Cute. Parang ang layo sa ano yan. Guys, di ko na nakikita yung comment nyo.
Ganda pa. Ganda pa.
Maganda nga muna ako. Sayang kasi 1K na lang. Sayang talaga. Thank you, Aiza.
Nag-friend kami. Nag-course. Nag-zoom kami.
It's a miracle sky. It's a miracle sky. O, diba? 52%.
Let's have the laureates on stage, please.
52% pa siya. Kaya nga.
Ba't naman yun?
Nag-ulit nga niya. Ayun o. Aura share.
Online lang.
Di kaya, guys. Send na muna ako. Thank you. Jean Rose. Thank you, Lynn. Thank you, guys. Maganda muna ako. Hi guys, thank you. Ay, nag-drop pa si Jean Rose tsaka si Jensky. Sige, di mo na ako mag-end. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And to introduce to you, this prize is national, wait for laureates, that I will begin with Secretary of Loro.
Thank you, Jane. Thank you. Jensky, thank you.
Let's give you everyone. India, Honorable Vikram.
Thank you, Jane.
From Thailand, Dr. Sarina Kampun. From Spain, Dr. Alberto Cudo.
Sige, drop lang kayo.
From Los Angeles, California, representing the nation of Pakistan, Mr. Ashfaq Hamid. From Mecca, Saudi Arabia, Sheikh Mohammed Al Saud. From Tegucigalpa, Honduras, Honorable Karim Kureid. From Sevilla, Spain, Barcelona, Spain, Dr. Margarita Abanas. From
from Hong Kong, China,
Anong bread?
Mr. Philip Wong. From United States of America, Dr. Richard Kaczynski. From Singapore,
Bread to?
Mr. Philip King. And again, our very own Congressman Samber Sosa of the Philippines. Here already from Nigeria, from Japan, as well as from Jamaica. However, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause to the 2024 Lucy Peace Prize laureates.
Anong bear ang magaling? Ito, sa comment section, comment nyo. Anong bear ang magaling?
Bear or beer?
Bear. Kasing bear yung hayop yun.
Sabi ni Chairman Bear.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Sabi.
peace, truth, and love. Peace is our gift to the generation
Matthew, di ba?
beyond generation.
Galing ni Mark.
It is a hallmark of human
Guess na yung
values.
ano.
It is a fabric
Ito.
of the world society.
Ito mas malupit.
Once again, the 2024 Lucy Peace Prize laureates, let us give them a big round of applause. Salute! Mabuhay! God bless us all.
Mali. Bear sweet. Yun. Oh my God. Yan ang pang IG. Guys, ito ang pang story.
Yan na yung tupang pagkain.
Story na. Ito yung ano, medyo nakakabigat-bigat. Basta dyan. Mali.
A big warm of
Spirit.
salute! Mabuhay!
Gutom na. Kukunin ko na talaga yun.
Thank you, Mia.
This is Dr. Lucy. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to know that tomorrow at 5 p.m. exactly, we are live via satellite for 48 nations through the help of BBC Channel London. You're welcome to come to the Metropolitan Theatre for the final awards night of the Lucy Peace Prize 2024. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nag-live ka?
Our laureates for 2024 for the Lucy Peace Prize International. Now we have a special guest tonight as well to give us a few words. He was also a laureate last year, 2023, and the Undersecretary of the Department of Agriculture of the Republic of the Philippines.
Malapit na,
Please
guys.
welcome the Honorable Leo Gracias Sabillano.
great our ambassador, Mark Pusi. He's the chairman of the Pusi Peace Prize. I would also like to greet General Dr. Muhammad Al-Muhani, President of Pusi Peace Prize, members of the board, awardees, esteemed guests, fellow laureates, and advocates of peace and progress. Election season is just around the corner in a few days. So easy to know when the campaign time rolls here. Even if you are a foreigner visiting the country, trust me, you will know. How can you tell? Well, the starters, you don't need alarm clock in the morning anymore. Once a politician parade nearby, you'll be greeted by the sound of blasting stickers or campaign jingles blasting through their streets. It's like an automatic wake-up call. If only it gets more colorful, politicians parading through the streets, waving at everyone, handing foldable fans, calendars, t-shirts, and faces painted on them. Seriously, you can't miss it. And when there's a national stage, candidates on TV delivering speeches, engaging in debates, and trying to convince us they're the best choice. But how do we really decide who to support? Is based on their credentials or how they speak? Or maybe if those catchy jingles and brand practices that make them stand out? Be honest. Have you ever found yourself swayed by something as simple as free t-shirt or slogan that stuck with you? You're not alone. We've been all there. And let's face it, elections can feel like a mix of strategy, storytelling, and spectacle. But when the confetti settles, when the speeches are done, and the real work begins, what makes a leader worth your trust? I'm reminded of the story of Ramon Magsaysay, one of the most beloved presidents of the Republic of the Philippines. They called him the man of the masses because he didn't sit in his office in Malacanang. He made his mission to visit the farthest provinces, just like what our presidents do now. He once said, "He who has less life should have more in law." That wasn't just a slogan. It put more than just sustenance. It's a means to uplift communities, provide livelihoods, and build a nation that thrives from the ground up. When I served as a local official, I didn't have the luxury of national influence. But what I did was I didn't understand what truly mattered to the people we serve. I saw how hard farmers work just to make ends meet, and how local artisans like those
Bigyan nyo na si
beautiful in a
Arnold tsaka si Angel ng red wine.
work their hearts into their crafts. Yet, their efforts were open at their budget. So,
Wala naman daw si Jerome dito.
Hindi naman nakaaway yung Sir David. Nakaano lang. Hindi naman nakaaway si
like
David.
corn was bought
Ay, hindi pala.
fair price,
Okay na.
giving them the dignity they deserve.
Okay naman sila.
We also work to promote and sell our artisans and woven fabrics at prices that truly reflect It wasn't just about boosting the local economy. It was about making sure
then you, their work matters.
Oh.
These small steps,
Naalala ko na.
they headlines, but they create.
Nagpaniwala ka din naman sa mga
They taught
susunod.
me that good governance is about sweeping changes on big promises.
Nakakatawa rin yung ano eh.
Being present, listening,
Sa
and
DLUC.
doing what you can
Kasi
to make life
Isa na naman yung
little better for the people who trust you to believe.
Pero ngayon, close na kayo, di ba?
Easier. As you move higher office, as undersecretary, the stakes
Cute kaya yung away nila.
harder. Yet, the process
Ay, hindi, actually naman.
Nag-away sila ni
Galit lang.
kayo ni
Lasing lang,
Chanel?
lasing lang.
you must
Sinabihan kasi ni Chanel siya na sa lahat ng returnees, sinong isi-send home niya. Ang sagot niya si Ina. Kasi bakla na trigger. Bakit? Para malaman ko ng dahilan.
May trauma siya sa
That's why
Season.
season 5. Unang bottom, send home gagawin.
streamline processes
Ba't ka na-send home?
every program truly reaches its stakeholders.
Minagawa ko pa.
A dream
Hindi ako na
is ambitious. And you just
Ngayon ka lang yung ganito nalabas mo.
and lifestyle that are available to every Barangay with the community.
Oo, lutang ako lagi.
It is not just
Nag-FNC pa yan.
production.
Di ba?
It's about giving farmers the tools.
Mas matagal ka pa yata sa FNC.
Sisi po, tsaka po si Sir David.
It hasn't
Hindi
been
ako nakapag Sir Dave. Nag-grow.
There are days when the obstacles
Una ko
feel
nakapagkan ng
Nag-start mag-drive.
when the old system
Hindi na nag-start mag-drive
change.
Oo. Saka
But
doon din ako
every time
na-start na
I visit
maingay.
farm, every time I hear a farmer tell me how can a small government
Sa halos lahat naman sa FNC natututo pag hindi sa season, FNC talaga eh.
improve their
If
quality of life.
hindi ka mag-grow sa season, sa FNC ka mag-grow.
Because when
Kami kasi ni Amber sanay na sa ganito. Ang dami namin.
ownership,
Time ng season 5, hindi ka pwede mag-drive sa nito.
Ay, oo.
Limited ng time.
Kahit yung season natin, tsaka bawal din. Sa season 6 din, iba bawal tayo mag-live sa TikTok kasi ang hawak ko.
isn't just
Unlike nung
delivering
pag nasa
results.
FNC ka na dyan.
Ay, oo.
Of inspiring others to believe what's possible. Leaders
Yung time na yun, mas marami pa kayo.
who leave a legacy
Oo, di ba?
are the ones who build the tallest buildings or make
Bumabawi lang yung talk pag may challenge.
They're the ones who empower their people to achieve
Pero ganun kasi yung
more
strategy
than
dati.
what they could. They are not the
Yung mga
ones
viewers,
who seek to be followed.
Kumbaga,
They're the ones who
hanapin kayo.
inspire others to lead. You
After
see,
ng awarding,
people
bubuian na yata.
don't follow leaders because they have to. They follow them because they believe in vision that they represent. As Ramon Magsaysay once demonstrated, a leader is measured.
Bakit si si Siljan hindi kumita sa FNC?
But how they
Ibang kitaan gusto niya.
Si Siljan.
The Uzi
Ay,
is
oo.
prized
Diba?
as a testament.
Anong
Yung
season
nabutan
lang?
niya. Season 6.
Leadership,
7-6 siya, ano siya?
can create lasting change. It's about
Ano siya ulit sa galing yun yung Gadwal si Zil.
Payaman. Team Payaman.
Kaya sa Team Payaman siya galing. Ano yan? Nag-trending. Mas mismo naman ang ubo.
Send home video niya.
Oo, sinend home ko siya. Tapos naka...
Ay, oo, kasi ikaw yung crush niya, di ba?
Ano ba yung sinabi mo?
Oo, yung clingy. Ano, masyado siyang clingy, tapos nangahalik siya ng leg ng babae. Totoo ba? FNC na? Hindi, nung talk pa lang. Tapos, madaming streamer.
Yung portion mo lang ako. Ang dami nyo ang
Sino nahalikan niyang sa leeg? Hindi ko alam. Si Shelly. Si Shelly? Niyakap, binakhag niya si Shelly, tapos nung ano, dito yung labid, dinikit niya yung ano niya. Tapos, ang sa akin naman ay ano, parang inaakbay-akbayan niya ako. Tapos syempre, ang dami namin nagreklamong babae. Ako yung nagsalita. Sabi ko, masyado siyang pingi, ganito, ganyan. Tapos ako kinuha ng mga streamer sa Facebook. Ginawa nilang pang meta. Ini-stitch nila, gano'n. So parang kumalat ka. Hanggang sa, nasa FNC na siya nun. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung nasa hanggang sa nadagdagan yung sa kanila ni Manel. Yun naman.
Yung kay Manel, medyo nag-ano na yun eh. Talagang ibang level na yun. Sa FNC sila na.
Namimiss ko ma'am. Andito ako ngayon guys sa Hilton. Dito ko sinurprise ni Bobo. Dito siya nag-propose sa akin.
Sa paper house.
Ingay?
Wala reklamo.
Dito siya nag-propose kaya naalala ko. Namimiss na namin dito guys.
Sinong kadikit ni Dil dyan?
Sure ko lang.
Pero di ba alaga niyo yun?
Nung una. Binigami nila dahil.
As dinatics yun eh. Baby food, di ba? Baby food.
Unang araw kasi niya, no? Unang araw ni Sir Jagal, mabait siya. Nag-asikaso. Tapos nag-start siya ng kanto. Tapos tinawag na siyang pinapalintigan niya.
Sa season mo, sino ang pinakaayaw mo? Pinaka hindi mo kabay.
Si ano? Pangalan na ito? Sino na nga yun? Yung unang love team ni Sir Jamie ni Kirsten?
Flavor.
Later. Nakaklose ko lang siyang konti pero hindi ko siya kabayo. Pero hindi ko naman ayaw. Hindi ko lang siya.
Hindi lang ako.
Sa lahat. Hindi ko siya nakaklose.
Angel. Nung season 5, sino ang pinakaayaw mo na sisi?
Ako na lang, suntukan tayo.
Kalimutan mo na? Kalimutan daw niya mga ka-season niya. Pangilang sendong ko ba? Pangilan. 1 month ka lang nung season 5? Ikaw Nika. Nung season 6, sino pinakaayaw mong content creator?
Yan yan.
Siya talaga?
Kasi, no, nagalit siya sa akin nung sinuntok ko siya. No? Yes.
Ay, oo nga.
Nagalit siya sa akin, tapos parang meron siyang beef sa akin kahit parang kasi sinenthome niya din ako nung sinenthome ko siya. Ginasiyan niya ako. Sabi niya, laki daw ng ulo ko. Tapos tinanong ko siya, paano mo nasabi malaki ulo ko? Tapos kasi kinonfront ko siya sa kusina kasi kami dalawa lang nandun. Tapos sabi niya, narinig niya lang daw sa ibang city. Sabi ko, oh,
Nagmalinis.
Oo, tapos hindi naman salo ko nainis sa kanya. Tapos, nung okay na, nung nabottom siya, hindi ko na nag-sinenthome. Sinenthome niya na naman ako. Tapos yung reason na naman.
Naalala mo, di ba?
Ay, isa pa! Si Dave!
Dave, may chismis kasi.
Oo, yun.
Si Zilda na kapag after dark, pag siya pinag-uusapan, lagi siyang galit.
Si Bicol!
Di ba? Di ba? Sobrang big.
Bikunin, ayaw niya ng may masamang nasasabi sa kanya. Tsaka ano ba yan, sa FNC nanununtok ba yan, diba Sir Jamie? Nung nasa sa nila Angelo, nila Lilo? Susuntukin niya pa sila Angelo. No?
Mabait na bata yun. May tupak lang.
Ayaw niya nabibigyan. Pero siya naman yung nag-uumpisa.
sa mga nag-send home sa'yo, no? Ano, season 5. Ikaw, Arnold, ngayon season 8. Pinakaayaw mo na sisi.
Wala sir, gusto ko sa lahat.
Doon talaga sa lahat.
Masaya mga tao sa season.
Isipin mo. Dahil, ka-season mo si ano, diba? Chelsea. Chelsea, si GN, Ligaya Twins. Di ba mga starter nun? Si Alex, si Ronnie, si Eya, si Mitch, Eka. Ayaw na ayaw mo si Mitch doon? Hanggang ngayon. Picture daw, guys. Girl. Ika.
Picture daw guys.
Thank you.
Nag-badminton naman ngayon. Guys, drop na maganda po ako. 9.9 kayo. Guys, 10k nyo na para sarado.
Dito may Mang Tomas. Sir James, na-trauma na ako. Kala ko Mang Tomas. Parang Mang Tomas na yung lahat ng kinakain.
Sponsor.
Kunin natin yung sponsor. Kunin ko lang yung bicep. Spaghetti sauce. Mas malaki pa yung bicep mo sa akin.
Ketchup yan, ketchup.
Yan.
Ito pwede pang ano yun. Ang jam pa yan eh.
Hindi mo pala, hindi ka nasasabi ah.
Thank you, Ate Rose. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Kain tayo ba? Parang parehas lang. Parang strawberry.
Enjoying your evening before we come to a close and looking for my good friend Nate Tan, an amazing mentalist for
Ayun ang si Seth meron.
as the
Hindi niya
finale of
ginagamit.
tonight's event.
Gusto mo yun na lang?
I would like to dedicate a song for all of you.
Thank you so
And the song is a message of peace.
Back nung mali pa. Anong running?
Back to iwan sugar. Sabi ko sugar kasi this week.
Ah.
Hindi ako sugar. Ready na ako sa concert yung katawan.
Ba't ka napansin dito? Aga mo naman matulog, Ate Rose. Paano mo
Ready pang
nagagawa yan?
topless lang.
Very good.
Nakikit yung katawan mo eh. Kahit anong kainin nyo. Mga ganang katawan, kahit anong kainin nyo, bigyan ng taba.
Yan ka na naman sa red. Marte ka din kasi. Pag minireto kasi ayaw. Ba't ba lahat na inaway mo? Apakainit ng ulo mo. Ayan, sarap na yung parang yan. Strawberry.
Thank you so much.
Minireto pa ko sa yung tomboy. Uy! Kaibigan ko yan, wag mo i-mute. Lagyan mo. Ay, napindot ko. Da. Napindot ko. Namute ka ba? Nagsasabi ka kasi ng tomboy. Wala, hindi naman ako yun, Bobo. Kuha ka na. Hindi, hindi ko alam kung malis na pala sa station. Akala ko magto-toilet lang. Ay, for the goodbye na siya? Hindi namin alam. Akala ko sabay-sabay tayo, eh.
Thank you very much.
Ha?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ano?
our friend from Singapore, the mystical,
okay.
the magical, the mentalist, Mr. Nate Tan. Let's give him a round of applause.
Uy, meron kasi kaming appetizer soup. Ate Rose, nasa bahay na yung ice candy. Thank you so much.
Oo, gusto ko yun eh. Gusto ko pala ako magtatawa. Ay, kayo naman.
Last na to.
Bukas talaga.
Okay na.
Bukas talaga. Mentally.
Angels.
myself. My name is Nick. I'm a mind reader from Singapore. I know that it was a mixed audience tonight, but I want to friends. I prepared something for all of you. Let's see if I can get this right? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Dito pala sinuzoomin.
Magandang gabi po
Sinuzoomin. Nabot mo pa
sa
sinuzoomin.
inyong talat.
Kaso nabot
Nung pag-alis niya, pumasok ako.
Ako po si
Kaya magsalita ako. Talat.
isang mentalist galing sa Singapore. Thank you very much. And that's all I can say. Yes. Alright, but once again, I'm really happy to be here. It's my first time performing in the Philippines. I mentioned I'm going to do my best to amaze, amuse, and entertain all of you here tonight. All I need from you in return, guys, is your attention and your participation. Because without your help, I cannot do the show. Okay, so if I do ask you to come up here on stage with me, please feel free to do so. I promise you, the moment you're here with me, I will not embarrass you anyway. I just need your help. Okay, so that I can do the show for you guys. Alright, so before we begin the show, one more round of applause. Do I have your support? Yes? Awesome. The first person I asked to interact with you while you are stood on the floor. Okay, can I get maybe this gentleman over here, if you don't mind? Yes? Can I get you to stand in the middle of the area over here? Boy, can you sit around? Boy, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you very much. Alright, boy, you can turn around and face me. So, boy, here's the thing. We're going to play a little game. Okay, little game. And I'm going to give you a chance to win some money. Some money. It's not a huge amount. It's just a small token sum.
Show, kasi ikaw rin yung pinapanood namin mo. Ayan o.
We've got two envelopes over here. Okay, and we've got a green and a red. Now listen carefully. Inside one of the envelopes.
Pinapanood lang namin yung ano.
Not necessarily the green one.
Pinanood lang namin yung baby video mo.
Cash prize. Okay, so I place a small cash prize in one of these envelopes. If by some chance you do choose the envelope that contains the money is yours. You can keep it. No hard feelings whatsoever. That's just how it works, right? My job, of course, is to try and pick the other envelope, the one that does not contain the money. Because forgive me, I don't want you to win money.
Pero feel ko siya.
Okay? So when I
Diba mo kayo pagka tinanong tayo, ticket Kumusta? Kailan night nyo?
You want the red one? Sure? Alright. Well, I saw it, the green one, assign your time.
Nasa dessert na ako guys. Nasa stage of
I'll give you one last chance to change your mind if you want to.
idol ka na namin.
A lot of people, I don't want to put pressure in any way. Let me tell you this, I'm going to give you a clue. Your clue is this. You're wrong, the money is here. That's your clue. Now I know you don't believe me. I mean, why would any of you believe me when my job is to try and make you not win the money, right? Which means, Moyen, I can also safely declare where the money really is because they know you will not change your mind. I tell you what, such an important decision. Let's get the audience involved. Ladies and gentlemen, if you think he should stick with the red envelope, please applaud now. If you think he should switch to the green one, please applaud now. Sounds like the red one.
Shaw ka, shaw. Kamukha mo, nakasimangot lagi.
Alright, first impression count. Go ahead and rip it open, tear it open. You can turn around so that the audience can see as well. Tear it open, take out what you find inside. And show it to them as well.
Hindi yung magic.
Take it out, yeah, and unfold it. I'll take a microphone from you, show them what it is. It's like what? It's 100 pesos, ladies and gentlemen. Please give him a nice round of applause. Thank you, Moyen. You can take a seat for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's yours, yes. Go ahead. But before you sit down, Moyen, I've got a little confession to make. Actually, both the envelopes contain money. But, however, because I want you to be a winner, right? However, I'm really happy you did not go for the green one. I'm happy you did not change your mind, because if you went for the green one, I would have lost a little bit more.
Galit na galit.
Yes. So, please give me another nice round of applause. Thank you for not changing your mind. Thank you very much. Alright.
tama ko.
So you see,
Wala tayo
really easy
din.
to
Nagmamagic
participate
pero
in
yung
the show.
laman.
Okay, I think of something and I work it out, or I think of something and you work it out, right? I'm now going to bring up two people. Alright, on stage with me.
Miss, what's your name?
This mind thing. Okay, for this, I'm going to just invite. I'll come down actually, because this is the time I come down. Everyone will just ignore me.
Busy kasi si Angel, di kami
Thank you
nag-get.
mo to,
Okay, well, if she doesn't mind, I hope she doesn't mind. Can I invite you, man? Can I invite you to join me on stage? I'll be you probably what's up here. Hello.
Yes.
Rian, all right.
Rian Ramos ang dito, guys.
Really was my
Parang pag magtitinginan tayo, mali na to.
Gets na, gets. Ang lamig. Lalamig na.
Ria. All right, Ria and SP. Yes, all right. So let's stay right here. Please face the front for me. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Ria and SP. Please give them a warm round of applause. Right. So, we're going to do this mind reading thing. Okay. Now again, I promise you, I will not ask.
Spell Mississippi. No copying.
Yes, because I'm running for mayor of Manila. That's what I know. I wouldn't dare do that.
Lolo ko naman nila.
because he knows everything except for what's on my mind.
I want to know what's on your mind.
We'll talk later. Alright, so yeah, I mean we've never met before.
We'll talk later.
You know, and I don't know anything about you actually, you know, like when, you know, specifically, right? Like the date of birth or anything like that. I want you to think of
Ah, si Zia.
a simple drawing.
Walang daya yun.
Si Zia
Simple
doon
drawing.
pa.
Some people go for like a house or like a car or something like that, but you can't really go for anything, right? Okay, just think of something in your mind, get it in your head, and I'll come back to you in a short while. Alright? Think of your like a random English word. English word, right? Obviously not from your language, but English word, a simple word, but don't make it too short, like if, and, who, why, that kind of a word. Make it easy to find.
Baka December, oo.
Do you have a word in mind? Alright, I'm going to pass you a card.
Pagupitan ko ng shirt eh.
Okay, I can do that with the microphone as well in your hand. But you're going to fill up the word. Once you fill up the whole card, hold the card like that, so that it's hidden on the inside.
Spell, ano, astronomous.
So, you're going to do the same thing.
Anong date ka uwi? Kasi December 13 pa tapos ng top season 8. So, di ko alam kung anong December.
Once and twice, so that it's hidden on the inside. Yeah, just give us some privacy on that. So guys, we've got two pieces of information, right? One is a word, right? Letters, and one is a drawing.
Present ka, Jinx. Sabi mo alam.
So let's see if we can
Dire-diretso na
get this
yung
going.
here.
Okay, SP, you ready? You done? Okay, I'll take a pen back from you.
Nananahimik si Xiao Xiao, di sumasali sa spelling natin.
There's some strong lights there, but can you see it's opaque? You cannot see through the cards, right?
Tara na ba?
Now, some people think maybe
Tama,
it was
Angel.
like a
Tara.
hidden microscopic camera or something. Please look inside. Make sure there's nothing in there.
Mag-end na rin ako guys ha. Pag nag 15%, kasi 17%.
Saan ba yung CR? Sa labas. Wait, ano pa bang word? Wait lang.
Let me know when you're done with it. Done.
Wait lang, ano ba? Sama ka ba?
That's okay.
Ayan na.
Take your time. I'll take the pen and I'll pass you the envelope. And you can just stick your card inside yourself. Seal it up. Okay, I don't want to touch your card at all.
Matitili doon.
Yes. Okay. And the both of you, please, before we do this,
Spell Maleficent.
like and verify that it's opaque. You cannot see through the envelope. Okay, it's fair. Yeah, this is like test conditions. Okay, I don't want to cheat or anything. So we've got a word, your word, and we have a drawing. Right, and now the mind reading begins.
Mali, may ako nakainin yan ah.
Lovely
Mali.
minds up here on stage. Stay there.
Yan sa amin, huwag mong papa.
Hindi na ako kaya na siya.
I mean,
Oh gosh,
baka
okay.
kumain lang.
Kailangan namin ng sabi ni Eka, alam mo.
Okay, it's a bit of a guess. Okay, but does this word have like? I'm not sure what it is, but is there like something that maybe you could describe it like a maybe a symbol of some kind?
Serving.
Kind of. Okay, that's okay. Okay, enough. And Rian, just a bit of a guess. Did you draw something?
Sige, walang search and spell. Pineapple.
Gusto niya ngayong ano.
Right. Okay, great. Well, now.
Dito mo na malalaman kung sino talaga yung di na grade 2.
But at this point in time, I'm feeling more
Masarap siya.
Ay, meron
connected.
pa mamaya photo dito sa dulo.
In fact, you don't take this the wrong way either. It's just for the show, okay? But for now, focus on your word. Yeah. Focus on your word and just imagine, maybe think of the first letter. Don't say the word, right? But just focus on the first letter for me. And just turn and face me slightly. Focus on the word. Keep saying the letter.
Spell Philippines.
First letter. See the letter over here. And immediately, I'm going to say that the first letter is made up entirely of straight lines. Is that right?
16% na lang, guys.
It's just a straight line, kind of a letter. And just think of the number of letter. Okay, don't say anything out loud. There's a very strong tendency to answer, but don't. Think of the number of letters in the word. Okay. Right? And you know the number already, so you got it very fast. It's going to be a very short word. It's not going to be a long word. I'm going to go for. And I'll show it to you as well, so that you know I'm not changing my mind secretly or anything like that. And this is what I think it is. I mean, don't say anything. Don't say anything out loud. I think it's what it is.
Spell acronyms.
Alright, Ashley, hang on to this space now. Don't look at it just yet. Okay, take a microphone from you already. We'll place this aside. You can go for any word in the English language. Yeah? First time, let's have a look. And your word is. Hope this is right. There we go. Love. L-O-V-E. Have a look, Ashley. Have a look. Just turn the pen towards yourself. There we go. Have a look. Show it to them as well. Thank you, my friends. Thank you so much for your help. Please give them another nice round of applause. Get back to your seat. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Rian, sorry for ignoring you, but come take a step closer to me. Face the front for me. So, earlier when you know, kind of volunteered, as you were walking towards the stage, I sensed there's a kind of energy I got. And this is a communication to me because I think we share the same energy. Are you? Are you a leader? You can look it up, it's true.
Mat naman idol ay te. Kahit ako mali sa mat. Mag-enda ako guys. Mag-enda ako guys. 15% na ako.
Yes.
Bye guys.
I'm going to try and figure out the date that you're born. Not the year.
Lahat kami, kasama si Zaira. Lahat kami, sulat ng question.
Never mind.
24 nila.
Ano yun? Power talaga?
Dito ko dito. Paano mo na lang?
On the third.
May microscope.
Wow. Yes, is that right? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Paano? Galing no?
Kaya ako,
Don't stop. Don't stop.
May daya. Anong tawag sa kanila? Hindi magician eh, no? Hi guys, thank you. See you all later. Magla-live yan guys, hintayin nyo lang. Mag-host kasi yan sa mag-host siya sa Daily Spotlight. Support nyo siya guys. Bye guys, thank you. See you all later. Bye-bye.